All right, let's go get some kale and spinach.
I was just hanging out on the hot tub.
Good, Effie.
Oh, thank you. Spinach.
So we got some kale. It's over by the compost.
Okay.
It grew on its own. Let's go grab some leaves off of it.
That's good. There you go. There you go. That's good. Is this good to eat?
Yeah, grab some of that spinach.
It's good to eat?
Daffy, you want to help her out? Make sure she doesn't hurt the plant too much. Take like 3 leaves off of each plant
Here, Mary. Don't take any more leaves, okay?
and pull it off from the bottom of the plant. Get in there and pull it off from the very...
You're just going to pull it off like that.
There you go.
There you go. Then right here. Let's get some right here. I want to wait. No more than 3 leaves for each plant, okay? So I did 2 right there. So one of you can do 1 more right there. This has really good leaves. Ow, Bobby, you're stepping on my foot. I'm going to get the leaf. Good leaves. I'm not going to cook it. Yeah, I don't know what she's going to do.
Okay, let's go down and get some kale now.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, come on down this way.
1 more leaf.
And each of you go get 2 leaves off of this big kale plant over there by the compost.
Okay. So 6 leaves.
And we'll see that. Nope, not that one. No, we can't eat that one. Put that one back. It's this one over there by Daphne.
Right here. 2 leaves.
Each of you get them from the bottom and the outside.
Yeah, get 2. Oh, Bubba.
Jen dove in.
Okay. This one? Okay, Mary, I think you got 2 leaves. Mary?
I don't think Junior understands the concept here.
Here, Bubba, let me just get 2 leaves.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go.
Okay, let's go back this way now.
3. And get more?
Is there anything else we need to get? Let's get some thyme.
Where's that?
It's right over here in that purple smart pot.
Okay.
Let's go get some thyme.
We love to eat
Yep,
that.
it's the one, the taller one. There you go.
Get some time. We'll get that one. It's kind of hard to pull. So, here, let me get this for you guys.
Try and just get the green ones.
The green ones.
Yeah, not the old looking ones, just the green pieces.
Those ones are great. Let's just like separate it like a card game. So let me see this. Put this foot. Mary, I have your basket.
Here's some other thyme over here. Let's get some thyme off of that plant too.
Okay. Let's go over here and get some. I want to get purple. Over here. Guys, there's some over here. Well, this one's really easy to pull off. Because there's a lot of green.
Great.
It should be easy. Should be easy. This is easy. Okay, that's a big one. Can I put this in the basket?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
All right,
We
let's
got
go
it?
make dinner.
Okay.
Hey, we can get some parsley too,
Parsley?
I think.
Where's that?
Back there, that purple one, back there by the blackberries.
Okay. So guys, some parsley over here. Is it?
Yeah, I would grab like a handful of that.
Okay, grab a handful. So Bubba, that'd be good for you.
That's a handful. That was a handful.
Mary, that's a bigger sissy handful.
Okay, that's good.
That's good. It smells like summer.
All right.
Okay. Bubba, you got your shoes all ready.
All right, let's go wash all this now.
Bubba, those are perfect shoes. I'm going to show them in the bathroom.
Not in the bathroom,
Once me and
in the
Bubba
kitchen.
pick through all these clovers and try to look for all these clovers.
Do Find any?
We picked through like a million of them.